Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen.
Hello friends, I hope you'll be fine. Are you waiting for my next video? Yes? Oh, you should wait for that. I'm on this tab, I'm skipping 2 videos because they are pending on dubbing. My YouTube channel has Urdu version of those videos 1.2 and 1.3, but I'll upload in 2 or 3 days, inshallah. Because Ramzan is going on and the whole of the timetable is very busy, and also I'm taking MPhil classes online, so it's very hard for me to get some time and make 2 versions of each video. In this video, I'll cover some of the questions that were asked from some students. The question number 1 is, will you get a certificate after that course? The answer to that question is yes, you will get a certificate from Sarfraz Welfare Center that you have certified for Wordpress websites. You can build website, but before that we'll do your assessment. We can do it with a short quiz type, or we can take it as a practical type exam. Question number 2 is, what will be the duration of the course? The course duration in our timetables, in our schedule, we have a raw guess of around about 2.5 to 3 months. We'll try to complete it in 3 months. But I'll be here on 101SKills, inshallah. You can ask me anytime for further things or anything you're having problem with. Question number 3 is, who is eligible for this course? As I've discussed before in video 1, anyone who can operate computer, who can operate web browsers, any of the browser, either Chrome, either Safari, or any of the browser. Next question is, how much you earn after that course? There is no fixed figure for your earnings, inshallah. You can earn thousands of rupees per month. It can vary from 20k to 70, 80, but it will depend on your hard work. It will depend on your skills. It will depend on your skill level. Also, the most important skill of getting work is how are you communicating with your client, your communication skills. I'll not touch those communication skills in this course, but you have to improve your communication skills. But I will discuss all of the earning models of the websites of this skill, that how can you make your skill to give you money. Next question is, can it help me in my study? Yes, this course can help you in your studies if you are an IT student and the HTML or JavaScript or web designing course is in your curriculum. You'll be inshallah able to learn many of the things from this course. Next question is, can I get job after this? Yes, you can get job after this course if you are skilled enough, because if you go to somewhere for your job interview, they'll ask you about WordPress, and they can test your skills by giving you a dummy project. So if you complete that, and they can also ask for your certificate, so we'll give you a certificate. You can show them your certificate along with your skills, so that you can probably hire from that company. The last question is, what is the benefit for this welfare of this course? Why Sarfraz Welfare Center is conducting the course for free? My dear students, you are the benefit for Sarfraz Welfare Center in future, inshallah. As many of you will earn money from it, whether from Fiverr, whether from online, anywhere, whether from Facebook, but you will get clients, inshallah. And after years or after some time, when you will be at a good position, you will remember us, inshallah, as when we launch some new project after some years, we want to help that much of and that kind of students in their studies or any kind of product or any kind of project we launch. You will be with us, you will be behind us, inshallah. So these are the few questions I have to answer for you. So one more thing I want to ask you is, kindly give your feedback on your previous videos. As we discussed about installing WordPress locally. Have you installed it successfully? Which software you like, Bitnami for WordPress or the software local by Flywheel? So your feedback is very important throughout the course. It will motivate me to make interesting videos for you, and it will also make me know how you are understanding my videos. And that's what I have to say for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.